And today's topic is Tawheed and Shirk. What is meant by Tawheed and Shirk by the Sufis? The Sufi concept of Tawheed and Shirk. The Sufis says that you have to see Allah in everything. In everything you have to see Allah. If you think that something other than Allah exists in that thing, that is Shirk. Al-Wahdatul Wajud. And this is the same. This was the teaching of Imam Al-Ghazaalee, who died in 1111. Then after 100 years after him came Ibn Arabi, who died in 1240. Then the same concept it is there in all the Sufi books. Even the Shaykh al-Arab and Adam of the Deoband, Imdadullah Mahajir Makki, who died in 1899, he has the same thing in his book, Imdadul Mushtaq. He says, okay, there should not be any difference between the Abid and Mabud, Sajid and Masjud, Shakir and Mashkoor, Shakir and Mashkoor, that means, and Banda and Khuda. Ilm Irfan, Gnosticism, and Arif, Irfan and Arif Billah. What is meant by Arif Billah? As per this one, Ibn Arabi, he sees Allah in everything, rather, he sees Him, the essence of everything. That is the definition of Arif Billah. Common people think the creation is distinct and separate from the creator. That means Khaliq and Makhluq mein there is a difference. But an illusion. Because the Sufis see they see Allah in everything. And Haji Imdadullah Mahajir Makki, the Shaykh al-Arab and Ajam of Dewa, he says, Iblis did not do any mistake. The only thing he did not recognize that Allah was hidden in Adam. If he has recognized that Allah was there in Adam, he would have definitely do Sadda of Adam. No, their mistake was that they restricted their praying devotion. They recognized only 5 idols as their gods or something. They should have seen God in everything. They should have seen Allah in everything. And similarly, the Musa, the tribe of Bani Israel, when they worshipped the cow or something, they did not do anything. Actually, they have seen Allah in the cow. And the mistake of the Christians is that they have restricted divinity to Hazrat Isa only. They should have seen the divinity in everything. Okay. These are the Sufis and they call themselves to be Muslims. May Allah save us from these heretic teachings of the Sufis. The Deobandis are Sufis because they call Ibn Arabi as the Shaykh al-Arif and Shaykh Akbar. And even this Imdadullah Mahajir Makki, he was the worst person. He believed in Wahdatul Wujud.